Alright guys, the time change has happened here in Greece, finally. So I thought I'd come out and kind of show you what that looks like tonight. It's Thursday, April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. I'm hoping to catch the end of the sunset, because if you don't know, here in Greece, the sunset only gets better after the sun goes down. So let's go see how it looks tonight. It's gonna be a good one. I think I'd have to be out here for a while to really see the colors. It's kind of chilly. It's really strange. It's gotten really cold today and it rained, and then Saturday it's gonna be warm again. Greece in spring. So I haven't done one of these in a while where I just kind of walk around and show you, and I definitely haven't done one at night in a really long time, so I thought I'd do a little bit of that and do a sort of a weekly vlog like the olden days, and then we'll go from there. Let's see. Oh, it's so nice. I'll walk down to Kolonaki Square and then walk home. Part of the reason I haven't done a lot of these vlogs lately is I really haven't gone out. Like, I don't go out much. There isn't anything to do, and I feel like I've walked the same neighborhood roads every day for like all of 2020. So I want to make sure that that you guys are entertained, but I also can't keep doing the same things over and over again for myself. So why I've changed up things a little bit. These will always be here, probably just not every week, I imagine. So late yesterday on Wednesday, they announced that on the weekends we would be allowed to go by car to other municipalities in our region, and that on Monday stores will be allowed to open again. That's exciting to me. Like, it's something to do, and it gives me hope that things are changing. Kind of wanted to come see if some of the stores were getting ready like they did last year. Oh, it suddenly got very dark. And there's a parrot over my head. I can tell it's a parrot because they make terrible noises, and they're very common over here in Kolonaki. There's like all these wild parrots over here for some reason. So for those of you who know Athens, you know this street is normally filled with people at night. There are bars and restaurants all here. This coffee shop is very popular. And as you can see, it's dead. Usually at night there are some people down here, but because it's so cold, people aren't down here. Better for me. So this store is definitely getting ready, because usually their shade is up so you can see what's inside. They're obviously changing the display. Not the body shop though. Seen much activity. Of course, it could be that it's kind of late out. It's almost 8 o'clock. Oh, this store had taken everything down, and now they put everything back up. That's awesome. thought maybe they had gone out of business. They just opened like last fall and then they had to close. So, pleasantly surprised. Not my style, but I of course want them to be successful. Oh yeah, this store has changed its displays on one side, but not the other side. Beach because we are now allowed to leave our area for exercising, but only on the weekends. So, but I really wanted to come down. It's the first weekend we're allowed, and it's really nice. It's about 20 degrees. It's not warm enough to swim, although some people are swimming. But I just wanted to come down and see the sea. I haven't seen it since like October, and it's really nice. There's a lot of wind, so that's keeping the temperature down a little bit. Decided to walk down to the harbor, admire all the sailboats that aren't going anywhere. Along the sea. I was trying to walk on the sand, but I didn't really want to take off my shoes and then have sand stuck in my feet and then have to put my shoes back on, so I decided I would just walk up here instead. Still really nice out and totally worth coming down here. Can't wait for it to be warm enough to swim. Walk all the way down to Blismos now. Just sit here and enjoy the breeze. Can't believe people are actually swimming, not because of the temperature, but look at that water. It's intense. For swimming, at least. I don't know if you can see it off in the distance where there are a few cargo ships hanging out. When I went sailing last summer, there were tons of them. Off in the distance I can see even more. So they're still stuck out there. If I had had the wherewithal, I could have gotten up really early and come down here and watch the ferries leave. Stores are finally open again. It's so nice to see everything be open. People are waiting outside. So we have two options. We can purchase online and then go pick up in the store, or we can make an appointment to then go shop in the store, which started today most everywhere. There's a few places it's not allowed, but it's only for another week, I think, for them. We'll see. But I needed to come down here to find out the phone number for a store so I can call and make the appointment. The appointment that, the number that's online, I wasn't sure if it was correct. So, plus, you know, any excuse to get out of the house right now is a good one. Like, suddenly everything has light again. People are out, even though it's a Monday. It's so nice. So I discovered a problem with the whole everybody can shop now. There's really long lines even for things that were open during lockdown. So it's tricky, but of course it's the first day, so maybe it will get better. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great week.